Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It is January 28th. It is the last day of Allendale's Outlook Conference Series. I do want to thank everybody that has logged on and that has seen our conference. A lot of information we've thrown at you guys, a lot of good stuff. Yesterday, Drew Lerner talking about the weather, giving some very insightful weather outlooks for 2016. So good job with everybody that has presented so far as well. But today we're wrapping things up with soybeans at 1:30, and then we've got hogs at 2:30. So get online, get registered today if you've not done so. You can see these presentations as well. They are recorded. The only one that's not recorded was Drew Lerner yesterday as far as weather. But looking forward to today. Corn down a penny, beans down 2.5, wheat down 2 cents, a little bit lower today. But you've got some of these outside markets with some excitement. So maybe we can see a little strength if we're watching these outside markets once again. You've got the stock market right now up 100 points. Crude oil continuing to climb up $1.40. So have we found this low, and are we going to see some strength here because of investment money or spec money coming in, buying it, just thinking that crude oil is too cheap? You also have talks that Russia, some of these OPEC nations, talking about possibly lowering and slowing down as far as production. There's nothing done with that yet, so be careful. But as we go forward, that is something to certainly watch. Looking at other news as far as the soybeans, though, USDA did announce at 8 o'clock this morning a cancellation of 395 tons of beans to China. So China's canceled 395,000 tons of beans. That may keep beans under the defensive here this morning, may get a little bit more of a pullback here as far as beans, but certainly something to watch when we reopen. Looking at livestock, cattle right now unchanged. Still trying to figure out what direction we're going. A big snowstorm headed through the midsection of the U.S. coming in early next week. The trade is starting to build a little bit of premium in there due to some of these heavier totals as far as snow. But no trade as of yet for cattle. Still waiting to see how that's going to look this week. We are hearing bids at 130 in Texas. We had this last week. Texas bidding 130. Then we had that late trade coming in at 135, kind of surprising the market late on Friday. Will we see something like that continue? But the trade right now is looking for us to remain at 135 this week. You got the February contract hanging out right there at 135. So look for that. Watch the trade. See if we get any cash trades here today or maybe here even tomorrow. Hogs continue their surge higher, up another 12 cents right now. But seasonally, we do continue to work higher right now. We may have a little more upside. And looking at the charts certainly points to a higher direction. So outside markets, as I mentioned, stock market, 100 higher. You've got $1.40 higher right now for crude oil. The dollar itself down about 15 cents. So give us a call or get registered for the conference. We're here for you guys. We're here to help you out. You can reach us at 800-262-7538 or on the web at allendale-inc.com. You guys have a great day out there, and we'll talk to you again tomorrow. Take care.